Make sure YouTube is on all the way. Setting it up. Now it's on. Court calls State of Texas versus Arthur Clements. This is cause number 734-751. We are here today for a plea. Conducting the hearing live. Rather, we are not conducting the hearing live. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment for the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for this case for County Court 9. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Andrea Mitchell for the state.
Sean Sheffield for defendant, Your Honor. We're ready.
Sir, are you the same Arthur Clements charged by information with assault bodily injury? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one here is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this your signature, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I couldn't hear you, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, great. Thank you. By signing this document, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that normally we do pleas live in an open court, but with your signature here, you're consenting to do this by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the other electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent and make it a part of the record. I'm scrolling down, sir, to another document. It's called the Court's Admonishments. It's 2 pages. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
On page 2, using my cursor to circle around electronic signature, is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And get out of share screen. I signed the Court's Admonishments, sir. You're telling me that you understand the Court's Admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself, not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, I did.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the Court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. State, can you recite for me the plea bargain?
The agreement is for a $0 fine. Court costs 155 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time
Jeff,
served.
have you received discovery yet?
Hold on, we'll get to discovery in a second.
Credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Sir, is that your understanding of your plea bargain? They didn't come through on the, I can hear you in the other room there, but I heard you say yes, but I don't think it came through on the Zoom microphone. Can you tell us that again and see if the microphone's working?
It didn't come through, Judge.
It did?
Did not.
No, did not. Can you try again, sir? Is that your understanding of the plea bargain?
Yes, it is.
Okay, now it worked. Okay, great. Thank you. Counsel, is that your understanding as well?
It is, Your Honor.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions are filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
He has, Your Honor.
You believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Do you understand that you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, they did not.
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, I do.
I find the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Before we proceed, though, we do have to go over discovery, neglecting it in the last couple of pleas, but State, did you submit discovery to the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Sheffield, can you confirm that?
right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, great. Mr. Sheffield, is there any legal reasons why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, of course, you agree with the state, sir. I sentence you to 155 days in the Bexar County Jail. We'll give you credit for time served, which is $0 fine and court costs. Time and money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and we'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
Nothing from us, Judge.
All right, the matter is concluded. Best wishes to you, sir. And I'm turning off YouTube.